Welcome back, everybody, to another exciting ride. Today, we're at the Black Mountain ORV Scramble area with new rider Robyn, and she's going to get some hill climbing experience. This is only maybe her third time on this 250X, and this will be her second ride on quad trails. But getting her through this hill climbing experience is going to be fun. So come along and enjoy this. I know it's going to be pretty exciting for her.
What do you think of these hills?
You don't understand me. You go right down it, I'm not. Yeah, it's going up, I'm not going up.
I don't know what this hill is. I think this is a baby hill, okay? Yeah, it's a baby hill. Probably need second, maybe third.
I can't even get there. I'm coming.
Good job. Congratulations. Well, turn around. Yep. That wasn't so bad, right? No, it wasn't. No. Whee! Back brakes. Just a nice training hill. Yep. Easy peasy, baby. Get down to the bottom, put it back into first, find the next one you're going to attack.
Wait up for me, please. I don't know, I didn't have it on. Nope, don't think so.
Yeah, turn around. We're going to keep doing that a couple times, okay? Yeah. see where the low spot is? Pick a spot and take it. Like, turn now. That's the lowest spot. You go any more and it's gonna be worse. So go. Yeah, you see? Yeah, you see my tracks down there? Go. Good job. 3 wheels in motion. There you go. No, it's not.
What am I doing? No, I don't. Do I go up and over like that? Oh, that's what I was wondering. No. That's too high for me. Yes, it is, Richard. I'm gonna fall off.
So stand right here and watch how an idiot does it, okay? So I got a lower berm on my left side than I do on my right side, so I'm going to lean to my right side and just slowly come out. All my weight's in the back and to the right. Now I switch my weight to the center. I'm ready to go.
Am I leaning forward or backwards on the machine? Yeah, I'm using it. I do. I'm right behind you, or I don't know, I'm coming down the hill.
Okay, we're gonna go up and down that again, okay? Because you're using your brake and you don't need any brake. No, you're doing fine. We got plenty of big, beautiful hills here today. Okay, you're gonna start out in first, probably go to second. Now what you're gonna do here, you're gonna lean forward a little bit, okay? Front brake only, okay? You hear me? First and second. Once you take off in first, hit second. If it seems slow, you may need third. If it put it in third and it don't seem like it's going, put it back into second. But, you know, okay, you ready? I bet by the time I get to them trees where you can't see me, I'll be in second or third. Second. Third. Leave it in second. How you doing? Good. I see you. Go down shift. Good deal. Good deal. Don't come up where I am. The rule of the game is don't do what Dick does. What am I doing now? Make it up.
Third, but I had to go back. I was losing momentum, so yeah.
Yeah, I had mine at third, but I was slow, so I couldn't have.
Yeah, and I'm not quick like that.
Fire one. The fire one. Take the left side.
Which one? Okay. Oh, fuck. Richard. Oh. Where are you? Yes. Oh my god. Oh, I don't know where I'm at. What hill? Oh.
Hey, there you go. Good job. You did good. You got a heart left? Oh, why not? You're gonna be over your fear of heights in no time, buddy. Yes, you will. This thing's bad. If you got the momentum, just what gear are you in?
Good. Dying. When I'm dying.
I'm gonna try harder ones, okay? You wanna...
Goodbye.
Let's take one of these over to the left, okay? The left side on it's not been a bad trail. Let me get to the top, okay? I just don't want to have a tree down and and have you get messy, okay? So stay right here and hopefully you can get radio reception. No, you don't want this one. Oh shit. Remember what I said? Wow. This is one I smashed into years ago. I could do it on that machine. I'll take that machine up there. It's narrower. I gotta go first. It's a bunny hill. It's a bunny hill.
Right here. You go up first. Doesn't look like a bunny hill to me. Okay.
Ooh, that's a hill. I didn't ever seen this one, so stay here. Wow, this is a hill. After these here, you better get some momentum. Oh, cool. I don't know you want to try that. Do you want to try that? All right, I'm coming down. You know what I mean? As I'm coming up these hills, I got that thing bouncing the front end. You don't want that, but I do. I like it.
You like it, I know.
We're gonna run it real close to the weeds because that's where the less whoop-de-doos. There's a lot of whoop-de-doos over there, you see them? So I'm going up and I'm going in between those two trees, okay? Then once you reach the top, let off so you don't like smash into anything. How was that? You can either just go all the way up like I did, yep. right here, okay? Okay. There's a drop-off. There's 2 drop-offs. Lean to the back and go slow over. Watch me do it the first time. So get up here as close as you can to see me do this, okay? Right where I am. See that piece of wood sticking out? Avoid that. Go to the left of it. But don't go too far because there's a root sticking out that way. So I have no room for air. Just let it drop and hopefully the momentum carries you through, okay? Back brake and lean. I'm gonna... How was that? Back brake. All right, let me stay where you are. I'll come back and get the quad. Yeah. It's a fun ride. Yeah. Still there? How the hell am I supposed to make it up there on foot? I'm gonna get back 20 feet, nail that bitch in second gear and jump all them stumps and come down here. Yep. Wow. I need a cigarette. Yeah.
Bad brake. I'm gonna go over chop. I can't. I froze.
Why don't you walk down there and watch how this dumbass does it? Huh? Sure. Damn. My bumper's pushed over. You had to, because nobody else hit the bumper. With the bumper? Oh shit, I didn't know that. You said the tire. Wow. So, put your butt to the back. Slowly let it down. That's the first one. Tap the brake. Get ready for the second one. You're gonna have to walk down the hill. Yeah. Alright. Ain't giving nobody free rides.
Yeah.
Hey, this is sure a lot easier going down than it was going up, Richard. Whee! Whee! Now we gotta go up the hill. I know.